Hello guys, my name is Pravyado and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we can create profile backlink, and also this website can providing many features for the backlink purpose. So make sure you guys have to explore explore this website, and I can show you the main things of this website. This website having a great traffic source, potential traffic. Okay, so you guys can see the 155.7 million total visitors this website having. So that's why it's important to you guys have to create your backlink on that website. And you can see the domain rating is 93, and the domain authority is 95, and the spam score is 6%. So it's considerable. Okay, so how you guys have to do, there is option to you guys have to click for the sign up button. And for the sign up process, there is require your phone number. So you guys have to use your phone number for the registration purpose. Okay, so let me check if I have. So okay guys, so we have found another option for the sign up process, so we can try for the Google if we are able to sign up, if we are able to create our profile. So let me check. So okay, so we have able to access our profile. So there we can going to create Prav Yadav, and the year is to 1998 September and 2, and our country is India. And now I can going to click for the next button. They have a heavy terms and condition policy. Okay, so you guys can see that our profile is created, and we can check if they have sent any kind of a verification emails. No, they don't. So we can going to optimize our profile. So there we can going to add our profile picture. Okay, so we can going to optimize personal information, place of birth, and the other things. Cancel profile, social network, Telegram, Viber, VK, TikTok, WhatsApp. Other, they can asking us a username. Okay, we can ignore. Okay, so you guys have to optimize your profile. Then after that, there is a multiple option to you guys have to do share your photos, groups, post, and other things. So we can, what we can do, we can explore the first thing. We have to click for the post button, and we can post something. Okay, so we have a one thing, and we can going to add, and there is a option to we can add image also. Select from the device, and we can going to add, yeah. And there where on the bottom of the picture we can going to add our website description, and we can check, yeah. So and there you guys have to also insert your a website link. Yeah, there is option to you guys have to insert, but I'm ignoring these things because if you guys can create a fresh profile, so you guys have to ignore the spamming. Okay, so then your profile is going to a very strong, and you guys can able to get traffic from those website where you guys have to create a profile. Okay, so I'm gonna to only posting the post, and you guys can see the our post is live now. Yeah, yeah, this is my post, and you can go into check in a incognito. Is this live? I guess not. So how we can check? Yeah, there is a share button. Share immediately. Okay, so you guys have to see, we have posted our one post, and there is multiple options you guys can do. You guys can post podcast, music, holidays, gifts, business account, groups. You guys can also create groups and photos. This kind of activity you guys can do. Okay, so I hope you guys have idea how you guys can create your profile, and you guys can share some things. So you guys can follow these steps, and you guys can do whatever you want. Okay, so I hope you guys, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing. If you guys can want to help me something, and I'm doing something better, something, if I'm adding something value in your life, so you guys have to do one thing. You guys can subscribe the channel, and hit the like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand. And I'm also um, hoping you guys can help me something. So okay, guys, bye bye, take care. And for the last, I can also provide my website. I can also provide this website URL on our description section, so where you guys can find easily if you guys are no idea. So where I'm providing the video URL, so you guys can check the description where you guys can find this URL. Okay, so okay, guys, bye bye, take care.